Welcome to another video. We have a Harvard University entrance examination question before us, and the question is this: 4 raised to the power of y plus y is equal to 0. We are to find the value of y. So let's begin. The first thing we're going to do to answer this question is to move this y to the right hand side. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to make the left hand side to contain a constant, while the right hand side contains a variable. We are going to divide both sides of the equation by 4 raised to the power of y. 4 raised to the power of y will cancel out with 4 raised to the power of y. So here we have 1 is equal to minus y divided by 4 raised to the power of y. Now, I am going to swap the left hand side with the right hand side. Okay. In the denominator, we have 4 raised to the power of y. Note that this 4 raised to the power of y in the denominator is the same thing as 1 divided by 4 raised to the power of y. Okay. Now, let us express this 1 over 4 raised to the power of y in an index form. This will become 4 raised to the power of minus y. Okay. So we are going to replace 4 raised to the power of y with 4 raised to the power of minus y. So the expression on the left hand side will become minus y times 4 raised to the power of minus y, and this is equal to 1. Okay, this question will require us to apply the Lambert W function. The Lambert W function states that if we have, say, x times e raised to the power of x, if we apply the Lambert W to this expression, x times e raised to the power of x, the whole of this expression is just equal to x. Okay? All right. So what we're going to do on the left-hand side is to make the left-hand side to be in this format so that we can apply the Lambert W. Now, let us consider this law of indices. If we have e raised to the power of the natural log of x, this is equal to x. Why? E and the natural log are inverse. They cancel out each other, so we'll be left with x. Okay, let us rewrite 4 raised to the power of minus y using this format. So we will have e raised to the power of the natural log of 4 raised to the power of minus y. Okay, and this is equal to 4 raised to the power of minus y. When e cancel out with the natural log, we'll be left with 4 raised to the power of minus y. So we are going to replace 4 raised to the power of minus y with this expression. So we will have minus y times e raised to the power of the natural log of 4 raised to the power of minus y, and this is equal to 1. Okay, so this will become minus y times e raised to the power of natural log of 4. We are going to bring this minus y to the back. The law of indices allows us to do so. If we have the natural log of b raised to the power of x, this can be written as x times the natural log of b. Okay, that is what we have done here. Okay, and this is equal to 1. Remember, our goal is to express the left-hand side in this format so that we can apply the Lambert W. Okay, you will notice that we have minus y in the base and we have minus y in the exponent. The only thing missing here is the natural log of 4. We are going to introduce the natural log of 4 in the base. We are going to multiply both sides of the equation by the natural log of 4. So we will have minus y times the natural log of 4 times e raised to the power of minus y times the natural log of 4. This is equal to the natural log of 4. Now, on the left-hand side, you will notice that our expression is in the same format specified by the Lambert W function. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is to focus on the right-hand side. We are going to express the right-hand side in the same format specified by the Lambert W function. Here we have the natural log of 4. We can express this as the natural log of 2 raised to the power of 2. 2 raised to the power of 2 will give us 4. We bring down what we have on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, we are going to bring this power to the back. So we will have 2 times the natural log of 2. Okay, Then we bring down what we have on the left hand side. Now let us rewrite these two using this format. We are going to represent 2 with this expression. So we have minus y times the natural log of 4 times e raised to the power of minus y times the natural log of 4 is equal to, we are going to move the natural log of 2 to the back. Okay, so we will have the natural log of 2 times e raised to the power of the natural log of 2. You will notice that the right hand side is in the same format as the Lambert W function. Okay, so we are going to apply the Lambert W function to both sides of the equation. Now, according to the Lambert W function, the whole of this expression on the left hand side is just equal to minus y times the natural log of 4. So the left hand side will become minus y times the natural log of 4. And this is equal to, similarly, the whole of the right hand side is just equal to the natural log of 2. Okay, now let's find the value of y. So we will have minus y times the natural log of, and I'm going to write this 4 as 2 raised to the power of 2. Okay, 2 raised to the power of 2 will give us 4. And this is equal to the natural log of 2. We are going to move this power of 2 to the back to multiply minus y. So we will have 2 times minus y times the natural log of 2 is equal to the natural log of 2. Okay, so we will have minus 2y times the natural log of 2 is equal to the natural log of 2. Now, let us divide both sides by the natural log of 2. The natural log of 2 will cancel out to the natural log of 2, and natural log of 2 will cancel out to the natural log of 2. We are going to have 1 here. So we have that minus 2y is equal to 1. Let's divide both sides by minus 2. Minus 2 will cancel out with minus 2. We have that y is equal to minus 1 over 2. So the value of y is minus 1 over 2. Let's check if our answer is correct. We have that 4 raised to the power of y plus y is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 1 over 2. So we have 4 raised to the power of minus 1 over 2 plus minus 1 over 2 is equal to 0. This number can be written as 1 divided by 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2 plus, here we have minus 1 over 2 is equal to 0. Here the square root of 4 is going to give us 2, and here plus minus 1 over 2 is going to give us minus 1 over 2, and this is equal to 0. 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2, that is going to give us 0. So our answer is correct. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful and informative, please subscribe to my channel. And do remember to like, comment, and share. All the best.